Hi everyone, my name is Renee and today I'm going to show you how to create a 6-point star. So starting with my HTML, I'm going to create a class and name it 6star and put this in a div. To create this in CSS, I need to create a um, selector ID that will specify a style for the element star6. So we're going to start by taking off the pound sign and adding in the dot. And you will notice that both of my stars, they're different ones for um, creating the star itself and what comes after creating the star. So we need to create the width, and then we need the height, and from here we're going to add a border, and this is going to be for the the bottom half of the star. So we're doing the left point of the star now. And we'll give it a 50 px and make sure that this is solid. That's left, right. And again, we're going to give it a pixel of 50. And then we want to make sure that we have the bottom part of our star. And this is going to be 100 px because if you have 50 on one side and 50 on the right side, then the bottom has to cover the circumference of at least 100, which is a total of 50 on both sides. And instead of red, we're going to make our color turquoise. No, let's make it blue instead. Let's make it blue. And that's the bottom half. And now we need to do the top half of this. Again, we need the width. And so I'm just going to copy um, the top, what was at the top, because it's going to be the same. And then we also can copy this because what we're putting on the top, we're going to put on the bottom half of the star. And it's also going to be 50 in circumference. Now the difference here is that this is going to be for the top, so the border top instead of border bottom is going to be 100 pix, like just as the bottom is. Now what I forgot to put up here is our position. So we want to position the top to be relative, and when we position this for relative, it simply means that we positioning the shape away from its normal position. And so we do that and add in relative. And At the bottom, we also need to enter a position, but we're going to make the position absolute instead of relative. And this means that the position you're able to move the shape in various positions across the screen. Next, we're going to add in content. And we're going to leave the quotes empty and then put in our border, well, not so much our border, how high our top is going to be. And so we want that to be 30 px and to the left. And here, this is going to be negative 50. Now let's save this, and hopefully we will get our 6-point star. Let me just check and make sure I have everything. Width, height, border. Here's my border left at 50 px, my border right at 50 pixels, my border bottom at 100, and we're making this a solid blue, and we have our relative position. Then we added in our stars is after, and here's our width at 0, and our height is also at 0, but we are missing a semicolon, so let's get that in there. And then we have border left, border right with the top, and then absolute. And again, we're missing colons. Let's get that in there. And we're starting to get it, but it's not quite there yet. So let's see. What am I missing here? Oh, let's see what I'm missing. We need to put a colon here and a semicolon here. And now, oops, semicolon. And now we have our 6-pointed blue star, and that is how you create a star.